Hi friends, welcome to new video. Today I am share to you the details about how to replace or change the toner cartridge from Samsung CLP 365 color laser printer. First, press this area and open this door. All toner cartridges are here. The company is arranged the toner cartridges are one by one. First yellow, second magenta, third cyan, and last one is black. The company mentioned in door with picture the method of how to insert the new cartridges. Okay, let's see how to remove the toner cartridges from this printer. First yellow, pull it out slightly like this. Now yellow is removed. The next M means magenta, also the same method. Okay, magenta removed now. Next C means cyan. Okay, cyan also removed. The last one is K means black. Okay, now all cartridges are removed from this printer. This is the new toner cartridge of this printer. This black, it's mentioned K406S. Okay, next yellow, mention Y406S. Next magenta, mentioned M406. Okay, last one cyan 406. Samsung company has written in the box that it can get approximate 1500 prints from the black toner cartridge and 1000 prints from each color toner cartridge: yellow, cyan, magenta. Okay, this part that you see the chip, this is the drum unit of this printer. Okay, next let's see how to insert the toner cartridge to this printer. First K means black, so first I insert black cartridge. On the left side of the cartridge mention the alphabetic K. Also in this white sticker mention the cartridge number K406 black. Okay, look at the track on either side and put it back into position. Then push it slightly inside. Black inserted. Next C means cyan. On the left side of the toner, company mentioned C. Also in this blue sticker mention C406. The same method, insert and press it slightly. Next magenta, also the same method, left side of the toner mentioned M and the sticker also magenta color, company mentioned M406. Okay, insert, then press it. Okay, the last one is yellow. Also the company mentioned on the toner Y. Sticker also yellow color. Company written Y406. Insert with same procedure. All toners are inserted now. After then, close the front door. Now printer is ready to use. This video is winding up now. If you have any doubts or need to know anything more, you can comment on this video. See you on next video. Thanks friends. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.